Good morning vlog. So we're starting out this vlog in my car. I'm getting ready to go drive back home. I am gonna go get my hair done today at my sister's salon. I haven't had my hair done since October, and it's the middle of July, or it's the middle of June. No, it's not. It's the middle of January. What am I talking about? I know that a lot of you guys have not got your hair done in quarantine, and I don't want to get any hate or anything like that. My sister owns a salon. We follow all the state precautions, so I'm good to go. I wanted to get this done before I end up giving birth to my child, because I know that I'm not going to want to get out once I have a newborn for a really long time, and my hair is in some desperate need of getting done. So I'm gonna go do that, and I'm gonna bring you guys along today. The first stop is we have to get gas. I'm very fortunate that I live in a town where there's a gas station that pumps my gas for me, so it is a little bit out of my way, but it's worth it. So I'm gonna go have them pump my gas, which is so nice if you're in a wheelchair. I don't know if anyone who follows me is in a wheelchair or has a physical disability. I hate pumping my own gas because it's such a pain, and so I would either have someone drive my car and put gas in it, like Jacob, or if I'm with like my sister, I'll have her, my brother-in-law do it, or I go to this gas station and have them do it, and then I just leave them a tip. So I'm very fortunate for that. I love that, and I always go there because it's like a locally owned business, and I love that they still pump your gas for you because it makes my life so much easier. So I'm gonna go do that really quick, and then we have about a 2-hour drive to the salon. Just got to the salon and we're about to start working on this mess. I'm so excited. It looks awful right now, but we're gonna make it look good, and I'm excited. Just got out of the salon and I love my hair. We had a slight change of plans because the color in my hair was not coming out. I had some reds and some blues in there that are just sticking really hard, so we put some purple over it, and I absolutely love it. She touched up the cut, which is super nice. I love it so much, and I'm impressed with how long it's gotten. It is so long. I know you probably can't tell, but it is super long, and I'm very happy with it. I've been loving a middle part lately for me. I feel so classy and so chic, and I needed something that was going to be low maintenance because, like I said, I'm getting ready to have a baby, and I know that I'm not going to make it back to the salon for a while. I'm very happy with it. I think she did a great job, and I'm going to start the process to go back to a lighter color, like a blonde or like a, you know, icy blonde. I'm really excited, and then we'll do more fun colors and stuff like that once my hair allows, but obviously it takes a while. It's a process. So very happy with it. I'm gonna head off now. I'm gonna probably get some food. It's about 5 o'clock, so I'm gonna grab some food real quick, and then I'm going to head home, jam out, listen to some music. It's about a 2-hour drive home, and I am very tired. When I get home, I need to pick up the house a little bit. If I don't feel like doing that, I'm gonna have to do it tomorrow, and I want to try to get some stuff done today because I have very bad anxiety when my house is a mess, and my house is a mess right now, so it's causing me a lot of anxiety. So I'm gonna try to get that done when I get home, at least a couple of things. So I will see you guys whenever I get home. So I'm starting this vlog the next day. I ended up getting home last night and passing out. I was so tired. I didn't end up getting any cleaning done, so it's much later in the evening the following day, and I'm gonna get some cleaning done. So I wanted to bring you guys along. Our house is a wreck. I have not been cleaning like I should be. I've just been out of energy, and as I've been saying for months now, weeks now, I'm struggling a lot with my mental health, and I've been sleeping a ton because I feel like now that I'm in my 3rd trimester, I feel like I'm in my 1st trimester again, where I don't feel good all the time and I'm tired and I just want to lay around and do nothing. So I'm going to get some stuff done today, see how much I get done, but bring you guys along. This is kind of an overview of our kitchen, which is where I'm starting. I need to sweep and mop. I need to unload and reload the dishwasher. There's trash over there that needs to be put away. I have to sweep over there and put the cat's food away, clean that table off. We have a lot of stuff on our counters that I want to put away, but I don't know if I'll get to that today because a lot of it's stuff that Jacob uses, and I don't want to mess with that. And I know he's actually at Walmart right now. He's going to be getting some stuff to cook dinner, which is why I'm starting in here, so that it's clean so that we can cook dinner. But again, this is just kind of an overview of what I'm working with. Home from Walmart, so I'm probably not going to be cleaning a lot in the kitchen until he's done cooking. He's gonna make like burgers and potatoes, which I'll show you guys that in a second. But I went ahead and cleaned out our sink because I did the dishes and loaded the dishwasher, and our garbage disposal stinks, which I picked these up from
TJ Maxx the other day. I like using these little ball things to clean out our garbage disposal. So I'm gonna try to see if this brand works good. It was like $5. If not, I'll get the ones that I know are from Walmart that I like, but I'm gonna throw those in real quick and then I'll probably start working on the living room. Jacob and I have been watching Cutthroat Kitchen, and he made this amazing dinner. He made mine chicken, and he made his burgers, and I pretended to be a judge. So I'm gonna judge this now to see what I think of it. The fries I've already ate. They're really good. He made this sauce by himself. I don't know what's in it, but it's really good. If I were judging on the fries, he would pass. Now I gotta try the chicken sandwich, and I'm not gonna eat that while I'm filming myself. So the chicken sandwich is amazing. I really like it with the sauce. I didn't have him put the sauce on it because I wasn't sure I was gonna like it, but I do like the sauce. Bun, what kind of bun is this?
Brioche.
Brioche, really good with chicken. The only thing is he put some spice on these fries, and I'm a white person and I can't handle spice. So overall, great dinner and I'm very happy, but I'm judging him like I'm on Cutthroat Kitchen and I know nothing about cooking, so it's been fun. Organize my medicine because it's Friday and I do that every Friday. So just did that, put all my medicine in for the week so that I can be my old lady self. And battery on my camera's dying, so I'm gonna charge that real quick and then I'll show you guys me cleaning the living room. So it's been several days since I filmed those clips that you guys just saw. I ended up getting sick after I filmed those and ended up in labor and delivery. My blood pressure has just skyrocketed. Everything's fine for right now, but I do have some baby updates that I'm excited to share with you guys. I'll be doing that in another like localized video so that people who want to find that can find it more easily. So I never got around to cleaning my living room, and that's where I spend the majority of my time because like I've said, I sleep on the couch and I spend most of my time there because I've just been really kind of on like a modified bed rest, if I'm being honest with you, because my blood pressure has been crazy and I just haven't felt good. The end of pregnancy is no joke, but I'm gonna try to get that cleaned today, and on my agenda is also cleaning the bathroom, but I'm not gonna film that because I feel like that's personal. I don't know why I feel that way, but I do. I'm gonna do that, and then this weekend we're gonna be finishing Baby Bear's nursery, which is what's behind me right now. I've talked about this before. I'm not sure if I've talked about it on YouTube, but I have on TikTok. Our nursery is a small space nursery. We're actually just using half of our office because we only live in a 2-bedroom house and I need my office to do Etsy and YouTube. So it's what's behind me right now. My sister's coming down. She's going to help me organize it and just put the finishing touches because Baby Bear will be here very soon, and I'm excited to share those updates with you guys. But I'm going to try to film that as its own separate video so that you guys can see his nursery and how we organize it and what we're working with, because it's not going to be like anything special like you see on Pinterest. And I think what we have is cute. You can kind of see it behind me. It's just very unorganized and a mess right now. So I'm going to go ahead and start cleaning and see what all I can get done today. I have not been feeling well today, so I'm not going to push myself too hard if I start to feel sick, but I do want to finish this vlog because it's taken seriously several days now.
And look at my handsome Gregory. Hi, Greg. You're so pretty. Are you the prettiest boy? Yeah? Are you gonna help Mama clean the living room? No? Okay.
The lighting in here is not the best right now, but this is kind of what we're working with. There's so much clutter everywhere. Over there is Jacob's desk, and I'm gonna have him mess with it later because I don't go through his stuff. But we're gonna sweep, we're gonna mop, we're gonna put all this stuff away on the couch. We're gonna make it look nice, hopefully. So this is just kind of a before what we're working with. And yes, that sign still says Hello Pumpkin. I have to change it, but I don't want to because it's a pain in the tush. But she has not been doing her job lately. Normally when I run the Roomba, like when I'm doing a deep clean, I do sweep and then I run the Roomba again to pick up like anything that I may have missed, but she's not doing very good behind the back of the couch. So what I've done so far is I cleaned off the couch And yes, I just put stuff on the table, but I'm gonna go through that now. And I swept and mopped behind the couch because I knew that it needed it. I've been looking for that pillow for weeks now, and I just didn't have the energy to move the couch, and that's where it was. So I'm going to start cleaning off the desks and stuff like that, dusting, and then I will sweep again and mop again. I absolutely hate mopping this floor because this living room is so big, but it needs it really bad because I haven't mopped in here for a really long time. Cleaner that looks now. I still have some cleaning supplies over there, and I still have my drink that I'm drinking right now, but it looks nice so far. And yes, this table, we painted it and it's chipping, but this table means a lot to me, so I'm keeping it. It's kind of what I'm working with now. That's what I've got done so far. It smells so good in here, like cleaning supplies. I love it. This is what we're working with now. Jacob is going to be cleaning his side of the living room. That's like his office space, and I personally don't like going through his stuff, so he's going to dust that bookshelf and his desk, organize all that, sweep, mop, all that. So that's why that stuff's still there, but this is what I've done. I have that rug being washed because it needed to be washed, but that's my little scent corner, and as you can see, the cats are enjoying it. I have one on my lap right now. The floors are cleaned, everything's dusted besides what's over there. Yes, I'm watching Leah Janae's TJ Maxx finds on YouTube, but I'm really happy with how it looks so far. So this is just kind of a after. The next order of business is organizing this coat closet. As you guys can't see it that well, it's pretty dark in here, but my cat's in there. I don't know if you can see him walking around. It's pretty messy, and we don't ever really use the stuff that's in here. So, I'm gonna organize it and go through it. Like that whole bottom is just shoes. My backpack from college is in there that I never use. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. I know that it took me forever to get through cleaning the living room. It took a couple of hours. Our living room is huge. It's one of the biggest rooms in our house, and I also took a lot of breaks because cleaning wears me out. But I do feel happy with the outcome. I love having a clean living room. I just love having a clean house. And like I said, I'm going to be doing another cleaning video this weekend when my sister comes, showing you guys our office / nursery space and showing you guys how we are organizing that. And I'm really excited to go over that with you guys. And I'll be doing another baby update shortly so that you guys can know what's going on with baby and I have a lot of things to fill you guys in on, and I'm super excited. So thank you guys so much for watching if you stuck it through to the end, and I will see you guys in my next vlog. Bye!